Hi guys, so there is two ways we can go about using the GCLOUD SDK. It is very important from the exam point of view, but there are two ways you can use. If you are not comfortable with Linux at this point, this is the first option, which is go into your project and click this Activate Cloud Shell button. And what that's going to do is Google Cloud is going to allocate a virtual machine for you with GCLOUD SDK already installed on it. Okay, and the other cool thing about this is it does some weird stuff sometimes. All right, I'm gonna move that window up. Like, it basically has a lot more room. Like, the window is a lot bigger and there is not enough lines to display this, but it should not be that big of a problem. All right, so coming back to, so here the Linux virtual machine that I asked you guys to work on is already ready for you, and it persists between sessions. And what I mean by that, if you create a file here, okay, I actually did this twice, but I didn't like the last video, so I'm gonna, okay, new directory, and then cd new directory, touch checking.txt. All right, so basically whatever you did for, like, whatever commands you executed, ls, GCLOUD ls, and whatever. So right now, let's say you have saved that stuff in a file somewhere, right? And you want that stuff not to go away, but that's the problem this virtual VM solves. And next time you come and launch this virtual machine, it's there and ready for you to go. Basically all the stuff that you had. By the way, sorry guys, my wife and my kids are out, so my dogs are playing, and hopefully that doesn't make too much noise. But so this is one way of doing it if you're not comfortable with Linux. In the next lecture, I will spin up an EC2 instance, and that's what we will use to administer AWS. I mean, like, not AWS, the to execute all the GCLOUD command. Plus, I will show you guys how to install the GCLOUD SDK on a Linux virtual machine, and that should be the thing you should be doing for everything. All right, so first of all, to not make that next video really big, I'm gonna go to compute, VM instances, and of course you'll be doing this once you get a little bit comfortable with Linux. Do complete my Linux free course, and that would give you a lot of practice activities that will get you really comfortable with Linux. So I am going to call this admin VM. The only thing I'm going to change is make this machine small. So this is going to cost not a whole lot of money, but it's about $14 monthly estimate. We don't really want it, so I'm just going to come here, and G1 small is good. Not going to worry about anything else, and just say create. So by the time we start with the next session, this should be ready. Thanks guys.